In this video I will show you how to reset DataGrip to default settings on Windows PC. For this, go and open DataGrip on your PC. Next, press Shift key twice from your keyboard to open Search Everywhere dialog box. There type Reset Default Settings. Then you will get various options to reset like Full Reset, Namespace Reset and Appearance Reset. I will select Restore Default Settings. It will auto backup settings in following location. Just click on Restore and Restart button. This will reopen DataGrip with default settings. In this way we can reset DataGrip to default. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Also click on bell icon so that you will not miss any update.